Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy Shiba Inu coin on Crypto.com app. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And so now to start, open your web browser and then search for how to buy Shiba Inu coin on Crypto.com app. It will then direct you here. Now, to start, you have to choose a cryptocurrency platform that supports Shiba Inu coin, and then sign up for an account. After that, set up a wallet, and then deposit funds into your account. And then lastly, place an order to buy Shiba Inu coin. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.